Boys and girls, we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to do these number of the day pages in first grade. So this is the number that we were supposed to do yesterday, and you may not have had that packet correct, so I may be fixing that packet for you today. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do this with the number 28 today. So the very first thing we're going to determine is it even or is it odd? So we know from saying 2, 4, 6, 8, those are our even numbers, so we're going to call this one even since this number ends in an 8. All right, so next we're going to do our place value with the circles. So we have 20 and 8, which means 2 10s and 8 1s. And we're going to do that same thing right here. 2 10s and 8 1s. Now, some kids like to come up with a really much harder combination, and that is okay if you want to, but this is the way we do it for place value. So expanded form is 20 plus 8 equals 28. Now, I'm going to jump down here to the 10 less, 10 more, 1 less, 1 more. So first we're going to do the 1 less. So 1 less than 28 is 27. And 1 more is 29. Those are the numbers on the number line that are right next to it. Okay, so now we're going to do 10 more. So I know 10 more from 28 will be 38. And 10 less is going to be 18. All right, then we're going to color. And I like to get out color crayons for this part. So let me go grab some. And we're going to color in 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and color 2 towers. And when I color in those 2 towers, that says 20. And now I need to count out 8 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's how we do place value. And always on the other side, you've got just some simple practice for addition on this one and filling in the missing numbers. Okay, all right, I hope that helped you out when we're talking about place value. So, okay, there's our quick lesson.